870 on deck 3. This is an accessible ocean view. As you've seen, there's plenty of width here at the door, and as you roll into the cabin, there's plenty of space on either side of the bed for your chairs or scooters. All right, so on this side of the bed, you have hanging and a couple of drawers. Above there is some more cubbies across from the bed, which, by the way, there is a panic button there. If you have an emergency in the night, you can just press that. On the other side is power. Directly across from this, you have your desk, 2 US, 2 USB, 1 European. Of course, that does light up, and a nice chair. Mini fridge, 5 drawers, TV. You have a teapot in here, which is awesome. And then another hanging. I love this in the accessible cabin. Somebody can grab this to pull their clothes down for them. And you have a safe and a couple doors as well. On the other side of this is a sofa that can pull out to be a bed, so you can sleep more people in here, as well as some more storage up top. Big picture window, guys. So, seen the world go by. Or if you're in port like today, you can sit here and people watch. Love it. And then, again, it being accessible, you have a 0 clearance bathroom, so you can roll right in. There's your privacy curtain for the shower, but there's a couple grab bars and a bench you can transfer over to. Toilet is also in a good place because there's grab bars all the way around. There's a panic quarter and emergency pull, as well as a phone in here. So if you're having a problem, you can call for help. Roll up sink, 3 shelves, power's lower in the accessible cabins. Normally the power is up top. You wouldn't be able to get to that, but you can get to that there if you're in the chair. Okay, nice sink and a mirror. There you go. There's your ocean view accessible cabin. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.